Good evening, everybody. We will be starting our program in a short while from now. Meanwhile, I want to welcome all of you to the event, welcoming Mr. Ravi Dhanak, Mr. Arun Bhai, Mr. Harshit Bhatt, Ms. Bhanu Bhatt, Shrikant Iyer, Mr. Vicky, Jigar Bhai, Nadeem Bhai, Rizwan Yusuf, Olena Nyemseva, and Mr. Anup Das, welcoming all of you to this event. Thank you. To Hetal Ben, Geeta Ben, Mujib Rahman, Monarch, Vipul Bhai and Arvind Bhai. A warm welcome going out to Mr. Brijesh Bhai, Mr. Rajesh Shroff, Mr. Shahid, Mr. Mohammad, Mr. Mithil Bhai, Mr. Shravan Sahani, Mahesh Bhai and Mr. Vincent D'Souza. A very warm welcome going out to Mr. Wilson D'Souza and Mr. Vinod. Also a huge welcome going out to Mr. Ramesh Shukla. A very warm welcome going out to Mr. Ramesh Shukla, eminent personality, one of our special guests of honor today. Welcome to today's program, sir. We will be starting officially in a very short while from now. Just a small request to all the people who are occupying seats at the back of the hall. If you can come forward, it will be very nice. It's just a request. If you can join us and come forward, it will be nice. So we can feel more involvement in today's program. Thank you. Also extending a very warm welcome to Mr. Mohammad Wahid, Mr. Avito De Silva and Mr. Ramesh Bhai Shukla. Good evening, everybody. I said good evening. Good evening and extending a very, very warm welcome to all of you to this beautiful evening that we have here in the form of grand celebration in Dubai by MBD FX. सबका तहे दिल से स्वागत करती हूँ मैं आज के इस शुभ अवसर पर इस wonderful program में. In this event, you're going to have a lot of education, a lot of new connections that you can be making in today's event. Not just that, you're going to have lots of entertainment and lots of amazing prizes also to win towards the end of the program. उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आज की ये जो शाम है इसका आप मैक्सिमम लाभ उठाएंगे. आज का जो इवेंट है ये बहुत ख़ास है, दुबई में हो रहा है आप लोगों के साथ और मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आज के इस इवेंट से सबका जो है बहुत सा फ़ायदा हो and make the most of today's event. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for MBD FX. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. आज के शाम की शुरुआत हम करते हैं बहुत ही auspicious तरीके से by lighting the lamp. I want to take the honor of calling on to stage Mr. Bharat Bhatt, MD of MBD FX. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mr. Bharat Bhatt. Sir will be lighting the lamp and he will be handing it over to some other people who will assist in lighting the lamp as well. I'm going to call on to their names one by one. So let's have Mr. Bharat Bhatt lighting the lamp. I want to call on Mr. Harshad Bhatt, eminent business personality, to come forward and help Sir light the first lamp. Next, I want to call upon Advocate Ms. Bhanu Ben Somaiya. Put your hands together for Bhanu Ben. Next, I want to call upon Mr. Ramesh Shukla. थोड़ी और तालियां हो जाए.
सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
Next, I want to call upon the lovely lady, Miss Olena Nyemseva. Put your hands together for Miss Olena.
Ganganapatiye namo namah, Shri Siddhi Vinayak namo namah, Ashtavinayak namo namah.
Next, I want to call upon Mr. Mohammed Tota, prominent business tycoon.
Om Ganganapatiye namo namah, Shri Siddhi Vinayak namo namah, Ashtavinayak namo namah, Ganapati Bappa Moria, Mangal Murti Moria.
Next, I want to call upon Mr. Said, another leading business entity.
Ashtavinayak namo namah, Ganapati Bappa Moria, Mangal Murti Moria. Om Ganganapatiye namo.
Thank you so much. And yes, Mr. Bharat Bhatt, you can light the last lamp yourself. Requesting here presence of Miss Hina Bain. Mrs. Hina Bain to come forward.
करता दुख हरता वार्ता विघ्नाची, दुर्वी पूर्वी प्रेम कृपा जयाची, सर्वांगी सुंदर उटी शेंदुराची, कंठी झळके माळ मुक्ता फळांची. जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती, दर्शन मात्रे मान कामना पूर्ती. जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती, दर्शन मात्रे मान कामना पूर्ती. जय देव जय देव. रत्न खचित फरा तुझ गौरी कुमरा, चंदनाची उटी कुमकुम केशरा, हिरे जडित मुकुट शोभा तो बरा, ऋण सुरती नूपुरे चरणी घागरिया. जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती, दर्शन मात्रे मान कामना पूर्ती. जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती, दर्शन मात्रे मान कामना पूर्ती. जय देव जय देव. लंबोदर पीतांबर फणिवर बंधना, सरळ सुंड वक्र तुंड त्रिनयना, दासरामाचा वाटपा हे सदना, संकटी पावावे निर्वाणी रक्षावे सुरवर वंदना. जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती, दर्शन मात्रे मान कामना पूर्ती. जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती, दर्शन मात्रे मान कामना पूर्ती. जय देव जय देव. लाल चढ़ायो अच्छा गज मुख को, दो दिल लाल बिराजे सुत गौरी हर को, हाथ लिए गुड़ लड्डू साई सुरवर को.
Congratulations to all, and thank you so much for gracing this occasion with your esteemed presence. Here, this is a token of appreciation for Mr. Ramesh Shukla. Thank you so much, sir, for being here with us. Now may I request the presence of both of you onto stage. Mr. Bharat Bhatt and Mr. Ramesh Shukla, please join us on stage. Let us hear a few words from the MD himself. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mr. Bharat Bhatt.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, respected ladies and gentlemen. I proud myself very well to welcome all you. I respect Honorable Honesty Ramesh Bhai and Honorable Honesty all of you. I welcome everybody. I like to respect and salute the land of Dubai. Because when I enter in the first time, I listen from my friends, like brother Mr. Harshad Bhatt. The land of Dubai has never negative to anybody. Everybody has progress there. So I salute once again, and I welcome all you once again. Thank you so much.
Yes, let's hear it.
फर्स्ट माई नमस्कार सबको और ये भरत भाई सबको मेरा नमस्कार। मुझे आज स्टेज पर इतना क्रेडिट दिया, बहुत बड़ी बात है। दुबई में क्रेडिट तो बहुत मिला है, लेकिन ये अपनापन जो होता है ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। मैं आज इतना बिज़ी था, मैंने बोला 99% मैं आऊँगा, बोला नहीं 100%, तो मैंने ओके कर दिया। सुबह एक्सपो में हूँ, जेवियर में हूँ, ओपनिंग में हूँ, लेकिन मैंने प्रॉमिस किया, क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट मेरा 53 साल हो गया है इधर। 53 साल में मैं एक छोटा सा आदमी था, 50 रुपया लेके मैं दुबई आया था, 50 रुपीज़। और इतना करेंसी, इतना क्रेडिट मुझे शेख जाहिद ने दिया। 68 में शेख जाहिद ने मुझे बुलाया, मुझे बोला यू आर फन्नान, तो एक कंट्री का किंग बनेगा। शेख जाहिद, मैं सरप्राइज हो गया। शेख जाहिद का ऑटोग्राफ लिया, मैं क्या हूँ, बोले नहीं तुम सबसे आगे निकलेगा एक कंट्री में। शेख जाहिद का सपना पूरा किया, मेरा म्यूज़ियम बन गया, इतिहास म्यूज़ियम। 7 किंग ने ओपन किया, 7 किंग ने, अबू धाबी, दुबई, शारजाह, इतिहास म्यूज़ियम ओपन किया। ऑल मेट्रो स्टेशन में मैं छा गया, पूरा मेट्रो स्टेशन कलेक्शन, मेट्रो स्टेशन करेंसी में मैं आ गया। और 3 महीने पहले मुझे शेख मोहम्मद ने बुलाया, हमारे एक्सपो का पासपोर्ट बनाने का है। बोला हाइनेस मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ, तू सब कुछ कर सकता है। वो पासपोर्ट मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ।
Thank you.
ये पासपोर्ट एक्सपो में बना।
Please come in. Photograph, please come.
इस पासपोर्ट 10 मिलियन कॉपी, 10 मिलियन कॉपी है, इसमें मेरा फोटो छा गया।
Please come near. Cameraman, please come near.
ये मेरा फोटो है शेख जाहिद का।
Take the photo from nearest so people can show.
शेख जाहिद का फ़ोटो 71 में मैंने लिया था। ये पासपोर्ट में सिलेक्ट किया, 10 मिलियन कॉपी, और अभी डिमांड है। ये सब शेख मोहम्मद। और अभी 10 दिन पहले दूसरा सरप्राइज़ है, शेख बोला, रमेश को बोलाओ, एक करेंसी नया अभी बाहर पड़ा है, 50 की नोट, इसमें मेरा पिक्चर छा गया। करेंसी दुबई की न्यू करेंसी, शेख जाहिद 71 में पिक्चर लिया था। ये साइन होने के बाद यूएई स्टार्ट हुआ था। इसके पीछे मेरा पिक्चर है 7 किंग का, ये भी मेरा फोटो है 7 किंग। और ये पिक्चर नेशनल लोगो बन गया, यूएई का नेशनल लोगो। ये बड़ी प्राउड है एक गुजराती के लिए, गुजराती के लिए बड़ी प्राउड है। अभी मेरा स्पॉन्सर शेख मोहम्मद है, मुझे अभी अवार्ड देने वाले हैं। एक्सपो में पूरा मेरा कलेक्शन एक्सपो में लगाया, मेरा म्यूज़ियम बन गया, करेंसी में आ गया, मेट्रो में आ गया। अभी बोलता है इसको पासपोर्ट दो, निकल आउट कर दो।
Thank you.
पासपोर्ट देखो, मैं एक ही जानता हूँ लाइफ में, सबको मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है, सबसे बड़ा प्यार अपनी बॉडी को करो। मैंने अभी मेरा CNN इंटरव्यू हुआ, BBC इंटरव्यू, वर्ल्ड इंटरव्यू हो गया। मैं इंटरव्यू में बोलता हूँ CNN में, 100 साल तक आपको रिटायर नहीं होना चाहिए। सब लोग 100 साल तक डिसाइड करो, आपको रिटायर नहीं होना है, आपको काम करना है। काम करने के लिए क्या ध्यान देना चाहिए? हेल्थ। आप हेल्थ को प्यार करो, जो आपको हेल्थ मिला है उसको ले जाओ चट्टान पर, और हेल्थ 100 साल तक कोई रिटर्न नहीं होना चाहिए। 100 साल के बाद लाइफ को स्टार्ट करो, ये मेरा सिद्धांत है, ये मेरा सिद्धांत है। अभी तो मुझे बहुत करने का है, लाइफ तो अभी स्टार्ट होता है। मैं 23 प्रेसिडेंट को मिला हूँ वर्ल्ड में, क्लिंटन, जॉर्ज बुश, जिमी कार्टर, सबको मैं मिला हूँ, सबको मेरा बुक दिया है। यूएई का मेरा 8 बुक वर्ल्ड फेमस हो गया है, मेरी बुक है वर्ल्ड फेमस है। तो क्या है, मैं भी है, आप सब लोग बहुत स्ट्रांग हो। आप डिसाइड करो कि 100 साल तक कोई रिटायर नहीं होना चाहिए। सबको मेरा ये है, आप सब स्ट्रांग हो, सब कुछ कर सकते हो। इंसान क्या नहीं कर सकता, ये ब्रेन क्या नहीं कर सकता है, सब कुछ कर सकता है। इसको खोलो। दुनिया किसने बनाया? इंसान ने। ये सब क्या है? इंसान ने। तो आप डिसाइड करो, हेल्थ को संभालो, आगे बढ़ो, लॉन्ग लाइफ 100, 125, 130 ले जाओ, वही सही इंसान है। थैंक यू मिस्टर भगवान दास, थैंक यू वेरी मच। इतना क्या रही।
I will take my great pleasure to add something with Ramesh Bhai's vision. I have decided to live 150. खुद ही को कर इतना बुलंद, खुद ही को कर इतना बुलंद कि हर एक तकदीर बनाने से पहले खुदा पूछे अपने बंदे को कि बोल तेरी रजा क्या है। I want to just earn rupees 1 lakh per 1 second. You imagine. And that is coming true. I have great confidence in me and you also. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I request Mr. Rohit Bhai Sai and family to please come front. Yeah. Ramesh Bhai, please. 2 minutes. Ramesh Bhai. 2 minutes, please. Please come to for. He is so proud of Gujarat. He is so proud of India. And he is so proud of Dunya. In world. I request to come my son Harsh together me, please. And I request Leila to get a bouquet. Oh, special bouquet, please. Just 2 minutes.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bharat, and also to Mr. Ramesh for sharing all his ideologies about life. सुन के बहुत इंस्पिरेशनल लगा, बहुत मोटिवेशन आया। शुक्रिया सर जी। Now I want to invite onto stage the presence of Advocate respected Bhanu Ben to share a few words with us. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए भानु बेन के लिए।
थैंक यू सो मच। यहाँ मैं उपस्थित हूँ भारतवर्ष साहब के लिए और उसको मोटिवेशन देने के लिए। वो मेरी कई कंपनी के मेरे साथ अप एंड डाउन्स में है। कई कंपनी वो मेरे अपलाइन है, कई कंपनी में वो मेरे डाउन लाइन में है। लेकिन मैंने जब उसमें देखा कि ये बंदे में कुछ करने की ख्वाहिश है, वो बोलते हैं उसका एक जो संकल्प है, उसका जो एक डिसीजन है, वो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहूँगी। वो बोलते थे, वो संकल्प लिया है उसने कि मैं 1 करोड़ लोगों को करोड़पति बनाना चाहता हूँ। वो उसकी ख्वाहिश है, उसका ड्रीम्स है। मैं यहाँ से उसको शुभेच्छा पाठूंगी दूँगी कि उसका यह ड्रीम्स सच हो, पूरा हो, वो बहुत जल्दी हो। और मुझे अभी दुबई में जब मैंने प्रस्थान किया, आगमन किया, तो जो मैंने महसूस किया कि ये भूमि हम सबको कुछ दे सकती है। जब हम भारत में जो काम करते हैं उससे जो जितना काम हम भारत में करते थे इतना काम यहाँ करेंगे तो हमको 100 गुना जो सफलता मिलती है वो मैंने देखा यहाँ पे। तो आज आप सबके साथ मैंने जो शेयर किया है वो मेरा छोटा ब्रदर है ये तो उसकी प्रगति में चाहती हूँ, उसका प्रोग्रेस चाहती हूँ और उसका सब ड्रीम्स बहुत जल्दी से पूर्ण हो, सफल हो, अपनी ज़िंदगी में खूब सफल हो। और उसकी जो आयु के लिए वो 150 साल बोल रहे हैं ना, मैं 250 साल देती हूँ 250 साल भी उसके ड्रीम्स के लिए कम नहीं है, लेकिन ज़्यादा ड्रीम्स आएगा। 1 करोड़ के नहीं, 2 करोड़, 5 करोड़, 10 करोड़ लोगों को करोड़पति बनाना है। अभी मैं रुपये में नहीं बोलूँगी, दिरहम में बोलूँगी तो दिरहम में वो इतना लोग यहाँ से भी कमाए, खुश रहे, यहाँ के घर में भी बहुत सारे खुशियाँ आई है। भारत में हमने बहुत लोगों को खुशियाँ दी है, बहुत लोगों के घर में बहुत सारा पैसा दिया है, नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग माध्यम से, फॉरेक्स ट्रेडिंग के माध्यम से, क्रिप्टो के माध्यम से, बहुत सारे बिजनेस में हमने साथ निभाया है और आगे भी निभाते रहेंगे। और मैं चाहती हूँ आप सबका हमको साथ मिलेंगे, आप सबका मेरे को हमको साथ मिले और हम दुबई की भूमि में ऐसा मंगल बनाएंगे कि आप याद करेंगे कि ऐसी भी कोई संस्कृति थी। इसके बारे में मैं भरत भाई को एक उसका हमारा जो है वैकुंठ वाला एक बात डायलॉग बोलेंगे ये वैकुंठ वाला।
I will try to listen and understand everybody, but if somebody cannot understand, pardon me. એ કાઠિયાવાડમાં કોક દે અને ભૂલોય પડતું ભગવાન, એ તારા એવાય કરું તને સન્માન, એ તને સ્વર્ગે ભૂલાવે સાંભળા.
हाँ, इसका ट्रांसलेशन है ऐसा, भगवान को हम हमारी भूमि में बुलाते हैं। काठियावाड़ हमारी भूमि है, हमारी जन्मभूमि काठियावाड़ है, पर उसका मैं दूसरी तरह से ट्रांसलेशन करना चाहती हूँ कि खुदा जब दुबई में आए तो उसका मज़ा भुला दे या दुबई वाला उसका इतनी स्वागत करे। ओके, तो इतना बोलकर मैं विराम चाहती हूँ और फिर से आप सभी को मैं याद दिलाऊंगी कि हमने आप सबका साथ चाहिए, हमको आप सबका साथ चाहिए। हमारी गरिमा यही है कि हम आप घर पे अंदर करोड़ों दिरहम लेकर आए हैं और आएगा, वो मेरे को विश्वास है, मेरी टीम पर मुझे विश्वास है, भरत भाई का संकल्प पे मुझे विश्वास है और उसकी पूरी टीम जो भी यहाँ है, पूरी टीम, धर्मेश भाई है, दिलीप भाई है, इरफान भाई है, लैला मैडम है, वो सभी को मैं नमस्कार करके मैं यहाँ विराम चाहती हूँ। जो भी अच्छा लगा वो आपका है, बुरा लगा मेरा है, मेरे वापस दे देना। चलो, धन्यवाद सबको।
थैंक यू। मैं भानुबेन का सम्मान के लिए रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा अपने रेशमा बेन और अलका बेन को, प्लीज़ कम। ये भानुबेन के लिए मैं 2-4 बातें बोलना चाहूँगा। शी इज़ रनिंग 64, बट नो बडी कैन जजमेंट शी इज़ रनिंग 64, राइट। एक्चुअली मैं ये लाइन का आदमी नहीं हूँ, सबको मैं ब्लंटली बताता हूँ। आई एम सिविल इंजीनियर, मैं देसी भाषा में बोलते रेती पत्थर का आदमी हूँ। मैं घर में भी नहीं बोलता था, लेकिन आज उनकी वजह से आज दुबई में बोल रहा हूँ, परसों यूके में बोलूँगा, केन्या में बोलूँगा, पूरा वर्ल्ड का मेरा ट्रैवलिंग प्लान रेडी है। तो जो भी है ड्यू टू ओनली भानुबेन, आई रिस्पेक्ट हिम एज ए माई एल्डर सिस्टर। थैंक यू। प्लीज कम रेशमा बेन, अलका बेन टू रिगार्ड भानुबेन, प्लीज। साल Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all those inspirational words. बहुत मोटिवेशन मिला ऑब्वियसली, ये सब सुन के बहुत अच्छा लगा. थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच भारत भट्ट, थैंक यू सो मच. और अब वी आर कमिंग टू दैट पार्ट ऑफ द इवनिंग जहाँ पे थोड़ा सा एजुकेशन होगा. फॉरेक्स के बारे में ज़रूरी नहीं कि हम सबको बहुत कुछ पता हो, लेकिन आज की जो शाम है वो फॉरेक्स के नाम है. तो आई वॉन्ट टू टेक दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू इन्वाइट Mr. Shrikant, who is an investment consultant, to come forward and enlighten us a little about Forex trading. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Mr. Shrikant.
I like to learn also from Shrikant by sitting, if you allow.
Definitely, sir.
Thank you.
Definitely.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bharat Bhatt.
Hello. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. You can use this one also. Hello. This is audible? Yeah. Hi. So, first of all, I welcome all the distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, my friends, colleagues, to this wonderful evening. Well, I am speechless after listening to Ramesh Bhai and Bharat Bhai, basically. They've done so much, and it only inspires us to do more, right? So I was just analyzing, for us to live for 150 years, we not only need health, but also wealth, right? So, in that aspect, I take this opportunity to introduce some of the strategies that we have with MBD FX, which I would like to present to you without any further delay. So the scope of investments is nothing but different strategies that we apply on a day-to-day life to increase our wealth, to maximize our wealth. If I may ask the audience, the respected audience out here, how many of you would like to have a passive income without actively working for it? Can you please raise your hands? Yeah, everybody, right? So basically, we all are tied up with our regular day-to-day jobs or businesses that has got its own pulls and pushes, and keeping that aspects in mind, we keep moving ahead, right? I mean, we don't fall down, as our distinguished guests told. Dubai never let us fall down. So we keep moving, but then we also need to have at some point of time some income which can give us some kind of a passive income where we are not actively required to work for it, right? So keeping these aspects in mind, I would not take much time of yours. I would just like to introduce some of the strategies that we have in terms of investments that can give you a very good exposure to not only to your regional or your, I would say, your national financial investments. This is basically something which is global, right? So may I present to you the scope of investments that we have, basically. To begin with, MBD FX is more prominently known for the exposure in Forex market. To start with, let me share some of the key advantages when you deal in Forex. We have a global market access, which is basically, as I just mentioned, it's not just restricted to any particular region or any particular sector or any particular market, but this is something which is global. So keeping these aspects in mind, the advantage that you get is to have exposure to all the strategies that a global Forex market brings along with it. And moreover, I mean, we in our day-to-day job or in our business, we are required to work for certain number of hours, right? This is something which we can even practice at times when we have time, to explore something, and at this same time leverage benefits. Now, what do we mean by leveraging the benefits? As an institution, MBD FX or our company has got capacity to purchase a large amount of foreign exchange in terms of purchasing a higher number of units, and the customers who invest with us get an advantage of sharing the profits, in the sense, I would say, leveraging when the prices go up or even the prices go down. Typically it's too technical, so I won't get into the technical aspect of it. But then it gives you a definite advantage of leveraging the benefit that a big size enterprise can give it to you, right? So going ahead with the next, that something we have something where we can also invest on indices. Now, what do we mean by indices? Is some you might have heard about Standard and Poor, Nifty, and a lot of those things basically, or I would say Nasdaq related companies, where we have the prominent 500 or 100 odd companies of US. Let's say if you want to invest directly, how easy it is for you to do that, right? It's probably not possible. But then using our platforms, it's pretty simple and very easy for you to have a diversification of your investments and earn good returns out of it, right? And also you can deal in specialized group of stocks that give you an additional thrust of an income, and while remaining invested in some prominent companies like Facebook, Alphabet, Google, something that we cannot do directly, right? Moving ahead, equities. Now this is probably, I did not introduce equities to the Gujarati community. So they are the pioneers of, I would say, if you go to Bombay, which is the financial capital of India, or it's called Mumbai right now. So, most of the stockbrokers you would find it's belonging to the Gujarati community, and they are the most prominent entrepreneurs in this particular area. So I need not introduce equities. What do you mean by equities? But then, to put it in simple terms, it's nothing but owning the share or a stock of a company, basically, right? So you invest in equities. You not only get capital growth. Like today, let's say the face value of a share is let's say $10. Tomorrow, with the fundamental aspects and the business aspects of the company, let's say the share value grows to 12, and you hold 1,000 units of that share, you earn to get more. You keep earning more basically, and participate in the growth of the company and growth of the economy as well, right? And that not only gives you a capital income, but it also gives you a dividend income, and historically high returns than the traditional mode of investments like a bank FD or a cash or bonds or stuff like that. So moving ahead, we also have commodities, like we can invest in oil, we can invest in raw materials, we can invest in food stuff, a lot of areas which pertain to the daily needs of life. So which means it's not like something that is going to stop, right? These are the needs that are going to remain always, right? So these are another aspects of the investments. And to add to this is basically we have crypto and other mechanisms, and these are all available. Of course, I'm not getting into the details of the investments that is available. But yes, it feels great to see all of you, such a lovely crowd, and I again extend my best wishes to all of you. Live long and prosper along. So I would like to end my presentation with this. Thank you very much for this. Yeah, bye.
Thank you so much, Mr. Shrikant. Request your presence on stage. Inviting onto stage Mr. Rohit Shah and Mr. Bharat Bhatt to felicitate Mr. Shrikant.
For giving deep knowledge, because people require deep knowledge. Without knowledge, investment is like driving without license. So knowledge is power always. Thanks lots. Welcome.
Thank you so much. Now, after that bit of education that we have had on Forex, it's time for us to invite onto stage the presence of Mr. Irfan Youssef, Director of MBD FX, to provide us more information about MBD FX. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mr. Irfan Youssef.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is my very great honor to welcome you guys for this evening. Again, thank you so much. So, Mr. श्रीकांत ने अभी सबको जो है वो एक्सप्लेन किया फॉरेक्स के बारे में, लिटिल नॉलेज. सो मैं यहाँ पर आपको जो है वो MBD FX जो कंपनी है उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन करूँगा. बेसिकली हमारा विजन क्या है और हमारा मिशंस बेसिकली क्या है और फॉरेक्स की मार्केट कैसे जो है ना वो काम करती है, तो थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन करूँगा मैं. So MBD FX is like multi-business developers. The purpose of this eagle, it's a maximum heights. There is no limit for this company. It's a purpose of it's too much high. So this is, and so please go ahead. So our mission is like now we start right now. It's just start an international financial broker. So next stage, we are going to expand offices in other countries also. Yeah, it's worldwide. So it's the first target. Right now we have a license in UAE, Dubai also, and UK also. So next target is like we cover the European, all Europe countries, and also we have an office in India, and we have office in Pakistan also right now. So our vision is like right now it's international brokers, and next we go to the next level is like liquidity provider. So liquidity provider is like the banks, it's like that, the financial institutions, and the company will launch, it's within 5 years, we will launch the bank also, MBD banks. So the next so many things in our plans. So we will launch within 5 years is everything. So right now we have like our platforms is totally Forex. Forex means all currencies. The people can trade on our platforms. People can use our platform and trade all the Forex currencies. Like currencies is like Euro, British pound, Swiss franc, Japanese yen. It's a lot of currencies here in our platforms. You can trade only just on one click. You cannot go there, exchanges. It's just a platform. It's online trading platforms. You can trade on just one clicks. And we offer indices also. Indices, the stocks and crypto also. You can trade crypto like Bitcoins, Ethereums at our platforms. So this is our products. It's like forex, indices, commodities, equities, and futures. So go ahead, please. So this is forex. We can like next. So our platform name is like MetaCode 5. This is the latest platform in this industry, MetaCode 5. So we use this platform for the clients. Client can trade from these platforms like all the currencies, commodities, metal, stocks, gold, silver, everything. So this is our team. It's a core team, Mr. Bharat, and it's Mr. Dalip Kumar and Mr. Dharmesh. So this is our core team. Yeah, I need your clappings. I'm waiting for this. So this is our little visions. So it's a time short, so I just explain a little things. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. It's coming.
जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Thank you so much, Irfan ji. I still request you to be on stage. And also I would request Mr. Bharat Bhatt to join us on stage. And I want to invite onto stage Mrs. Olina to help felicitate Mr. Irfan. Requesting onto stage the presence of Mrs. Olina.
ये इरफान भाई ने रात में पूरा चमत्कार कर दिया. कल रात का कुछ ठिकाना ही नहीं था. आज पूरा इतना बढ़िया से बना दिया. Congratulations. Thank you. Thank you. और he और भूषण अरोड़ा साहब. Everybody know we are dealing with divine. जो डिवाइन से जुड़े वो मालूम होगा. और जो MBD से जुड़े हैं उसको भी मालूम होगा. भूषण अरोड़ा is fund manager. He has created the fund minus 11 lakhs to 150 crore in our divine. But we are at presently in positive position. We have fund of 5 crores. You can imagine if the man can convert the fund negative to 150 CR, then when we have to fund positive 5 CR, we can judgment. I have target to 1.5 lakh CR within 10 years. And I confidence on him, he will do. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Please.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ms. Olina. Also, thank you so much to Mr. Irfan and Mr. Bharat. Also, here we have the presence of Mr. Basim Hussain, welcoming you to this program, sir. And now, let's have a two-way communication happening. We want to hear from all of you. हम आपसे भी सुनना चाहते हैं. तो अब होने जा रहा है एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन. हमारे साथ में यहाँ पे मिस्टर श्रीकांत और मिस्टर इरफान, दे विल बी हियर. और आप लोग पूछ सकते हैं उनको आपके सवाल, आपके डाउट्स, एंड दे विल ट्राई देयर बेस्ट टू आंसर देम फॉर यू. आर वी रेडी फॉर दिस? अरे यार, ऑडियंस बहुत ठंडी है. आर वी रेडी फॉर दिस? थैंक यू सो मच. वेलकमिंग ऑन टू स्टेज द प्रेजेंस ऑफ मिस्टर श्रीकांत एंड मिस्टर इरफान. और मैं होटल के मैनेजमेंट स्टाफ से गुजारिश करूँगी कि प्लीज़ 2 चेयर्स जो है इनके लिए यहाँ पे अरेंज करें. इफ़ वी कैन हैव 2 चेयर्स फॉर द 2 जेंटलमैन ऑन स्टेज हियर प्लीज़. थैंक यू सो मच. आई विल कम अराउंड. मैं आऊँगी आपके बीच में, और आपको, आप में से किसी को अगर कोई सवाल पूछना है तो आपके हाथ ऊपर कीजिए. यस, द फर्स्ट पर्सन. सो I will be going and I will be coming around with the mic. So if you have some questions, please put your hands up and I will come and you can ask them a question. I think they'll need a mic as well. Yes.
I would like to speak you. What is the meaning of Forex? Basic things. What is the meaning of Forex? Everybody understood? Because when we Thank you. Welcome, 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 Sunil Saab. He is Mr. Sunil Wagmare, Tiger Killer. I appreciate your presence, sir. Thank you. Yes. What is meaning of forex?
Forex, actually, the meaning is forex is foreign exchange. So it's foreign exchange. You can trade it's different currencies against the dollars, and you can exchange the currencies each other. So this is the meaning of forex, actually, the foreign exchange.
Thank you so much. Any questions, please, from the audience? Yes, this gentleman here.
Yeah, I'd like just to know, how do we trade in Forex on your platform?
Can you repeat it, please?
No, I'd like to know if I want to deal in Forex, and how do I go to your platform and how do I operate it?
It's very easy procedure, actually. We have the MT5 platforms. You can download it from our website.
Okay.
And the company create your account, actually Forex account.
Okay.
So you can trade the products, our products, it's currencies, commodities, metals, stocks, everything. It's like 5,000 to 6,000 pairs there. It's all products.
Yeah. Is there a cutoff price or something like that? You have a margins and on?
Yeah, it's margin also there.
You have your margin, yeah, you have your stop loss things also.
Yeah, everything is here.
I see, okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that. Any more questions? I will come around. किसी को और कोई सवाल पूछना है? This is an evening of education, an opportunity for you to learn and know. Yes, this gentleman here.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
I would just like to know, how do you deal in future in your market, in your platform? How do you deal with future stocks?
It's future stocks. Yeah, we provide the future also here. Future means it's like it's CFD. You are talking about the CFD and futures. Future is the contracts. So we have a contracts markets also there. It's like in forex also, in commodities also, oils, and also in the indices also.
I see.
We provide the future things also there.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Any more questions? I will be coming around. किसी को और कुछ पूछना है, कुछ सीखना है? या तो सब लोग सब जानते हैं, या तो किसी को कुछ पता नहीं है. इन दोनों में से एक सिचुएशन है. But this is the opportunity to learn.
या तो सब लोग ने स्टार्टर नहीं खाया है, इसके लिए थोड़ा सा.
Maybe starters are being passed around. किसी को अगर पूछना है तो शर्माइएगा नहीं. ये right opportunity है, right situation है. We have the experts with us and they can address your queries. Yes. We have another gentleman here.
Yeah, hi. Suppose if we are not operating an account, any kind of passive income which we can get every month, something like that?
Yeah, thank you so much for your question. We have actually fund management team here also. If somebody cannot operate and don't want to like trade and don't have a knowledge, so we can like provide the signal and education for the clients also. And we have a team. Our team like manage your funds also. You can get the benefits every month. In profit is like 10%, 20% of your amount.
10% every month?
Yeah, it's just like I give you an idea. It's not a fix.
Yeah, but it's a passive income which average we to generate around 10%, right?
Yeah, it's like that.
Okay. So you trade on our behalf or you do it on your this thing? I mean on your.
Yeah,
own
we have a
company?
separate team for this.
Okay, thank you so much.
They fund your they manage your funds.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for that. Hope that was informative. Are there any more questions? कोई और सवाल? सब लोग बहुत चुप है.
In fact, to extend what Irfan just told, in this, may I have your attention, the gentleman out there?
Sir, Yes, he wants to address. He's saying something
Yeah,
to you as well.
to add to what Irfan just told, we also have a provision where, you know, everybody has got their own risk-taking ability, right? So you may have a certain percentage, others may have a certain percentage. So you can always keep us informed that, you know, if I can't bear a loss which can be below this, you know. So there are strategies where we can block the loss, and we can, you know, put you into a safe platform which is beneficial to you basically. So this type of things are always possible. Yeah. So I just thought of adding it up. Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, for this, we have actually a best analyst team who provide the analysis for this market, so we can get the benefit from this market. So this is.
Thank you so much. We have another question here.
इरफान भाई,
Yes, sir.
समझो मैंने $10,000 इन्वेस्टमेंट किया और मैंने गाड़ी चला के आपको दे दी, ड्राइवर आप है, तो प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग होगा या क्या होगा? सबके लिए जानकार के लिए थोड़ा बता दो कि क्लाइंट को क्या बेनिफिट मिलेगा, आपको क्या मिलेगा या कंपनी को क्या मिलेगा, और कितना परसेंटेज एवरेज बोलो, आप 10 या 20 बोले, पर रियलिस्टिक कितना होता है वो भी थोड़ा बता दो कि इज इट पॉसिबल, हाउ मच इज पॉसिबल.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर क्वेश्चन. एक्चुअली सर ये ऐसे होगा कि कंपनी के डिफरेंट पॉलिसीज़ हैं, डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, ठीक है. अब अगर कोई कंपनी की फंड मैनेजमेंट की सर्विस लेना चाह रहा है तो उसके लिए क्या है कि उस कंपनी के कुछ कैटेगरीज हैं, ठीक है, जो हम कंपनी जो है ना आपको शेयर करेगी, और कंपनी आपको बेस्ट फंड मैनेजमेंट टीम जो है ना वो देगी जो आपके फंड को मैनेज करेगी. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. इट्स समटाइम आपको जो है ना अपना कोई रिस्क फैक्टर देना पड़ेगा. अगर आप कुछ रिस्क फैक्टर देते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल आप $10,000 जो है ना वो इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं और उसमें आप रिस्क फैक्टर देते हैं 20% का, आपकी प्रॉफिट रेशियो जो है वो जो फंड मैनेजमेंट टीम है वो बढ़ा देगी. अगर आप कहते हैं कि आपकी जो इन्वेस्टमेंट है वो सेव रहे, ओके, तो आपकी जो परसेंटेज है प्रॉफिट की वो बिल्कुल जो है ना वो नीचे आ जाएगी, लाइक 2%, 1%, 3%. इट्स लाइक दैट. इट्स डिफरेंट पॉलिसीज़ हैं इन्वेस्टमेंट के हवाले से, तो वो कंपनी शेयर करेगी आपके साथ.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for that. Any more questions?
First of all, good evening everyone present here. My question was like, what are we really trading in Forex? Forex, it is currency related, as in India, it is product related. Any companies, so they have a proper product. For example, in we take Adani, so they have a products and also services, but in currencies, how they are fluctuating. So that was my.
Thank you so much for your question. Forex actually, the meanings of Forex is totally belongs to the currencies, but in our platforms we have the other product also. Forex, commodities, metals, stocks, it's a lot of products there. But if you are talking about only the Forex, it's belong to currencies. It's how it's moving. It's very simple. It's like it's depend on the economic indicators, like if it's a base currency, the Forex is trading about the base currency is the US dollar. He traded against the US dollar. So if there in somewhere it's the news is coming, it's a fundamental things also there. It's news. Sometimes like it's a Ukraine and Russia news here. It's the oil going up is fastly. So it's a war. This is the news and fundamentals. So fundamentally it's moving, and the technical side also there. Technical is like the people's, the financial institutes and the banks also involved in these markets. They put some volume on this market, and then market move according to the volumes. It's if the volume is the buying side, the market's going it's upside. If the volume is the selling side, so market going downside. So it's just like that. It's moving like that. Hopefully you got your question.
Thank you so much for that.
Thank you, sir, for the answer. And one more question. Also, I would like you to put some light on crypto.
Yeah, crypto is a very growing market right now. So crypto is a digitally currency. It's like we can say that when the word is start, it's a barter system here. Okay, it's the people's trade for the things, like if I want to buy the wheat, so I give you something like in the products. Okay, then the world is like changing. It's the currency there also, and the credit cards and debit cards there also, and the online wallets there also. Now the crypto is like that. It's the digital currency now. It's a very growing right now. It's in the market. So like, you know, it's a Bitcoin is the most and famous in crypto. So it's just like that. Hopefully you got your answer.
Thank you so much. What's your name?
Manavi.
Manvi, are you a student?
Yes, I'm MBA finance graduate.
Wow. Can we hear it for Manvi? She's really brought in 2 questions, and she's probably the youngest person on board who's been with questions. Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much for that. Is there anyone else who is as inquisitive as Manvi? Any more questions from the audience? Mansi.
Thank you, Lord Manvi. Thanks, Lord, dear beta. Thanks, Lord. You are like my daughter, so I am taking dear. If you want to join with us, you are always welcome. Please.
Thank you for that.
So questions are leading to opportunities.
Absolutely, absolutely. A night of learning, a night of opportunities.
For Manvi, it's a job opportunity. For our distinguished guests, it can be an investment opportunity and a growth opportunity.
Great. Yes. Any more questions from the audience? कोई और सवाल? उम्मीद करती हूँ कि स्टार्टर्स सब तक पहुँच गए, थोड़ी सी एनर्जी सब में आ जाए. Yes. We have one gentleman here.
Yeah, good evening everyone. This is Dr. Vikram. Sir, I have an account with MetaTrade 5 since 2 months with Bharat Bhatt sir. So I frequently see that, but I don't understand what is going on. I get profit. I'm concerned about that, but I don't understand. Something is negative, something is green, something is red, but always the profit is positive. So do we have some tutorial video or something so that I can go through it and understand what is going on?
Yeah, we have a lot of videos and we have a lot of books and everything we can share with you. But this is actually, if you see your MT4 account and MT5 account, so this is buying and sellings there.
Okay.
Some buyings is like we hold like it's 1 week. Sometime we buy the market in the only for 1 day and for 1 hour. It's like that. So you like see is only like this. Is the some position is like your minus and plus also.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is only the strategies there. The trader who actually who operate your account, that is the trader strategy actually. But you get your profit.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very good for you.
Every month.
Yeah, it's good for you.
Yeah, thank you.
But it's sometimes market is volatile. If you buy something it's at the price of like 10, so maybe market is like 20. Then your trader is like have a strategy. Maybe he put some more lots on the 20. Then the market is like in 15 and 14. Then he get the profit for you. It's a different strategies.
Okay.
Too much strategies
Okay.
there.
Okay.
So we can share you all the things if you need.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
So add to this, Dr. Vikram, right?
Yeah.
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 So how many doctors are you going to refer to us?
I'm doctor with respect to I've done PhD in physics.
Ah, okay.
So I have referred 3 people till now.
Okay.
They have invested already.
Great.
And
great.
As the success goes on, the number will increase, no doubt.
That's right.
Yeah.
So it's so positive to hear from people like you know, who are practically involved with the company. So who are involved, and you kind of get your profit. So you're telling me what is happening with your account, right? Yeah. So thank you for your feedback. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much to Mr. Vikram for sharing that with us. And I hope it has been inspirational and very encouraging for other people also. Like he said, he's been receiving his profits, though he didn't understand much of what was happening in the background. So that is the point to be noted. That's good news. Yes, I'm coming around. Sure.
Welcome, Vikram Saab. I'm telling very proudly, Vikram Saab has not seen me, right? But he has invested, blindly invested. So he's getting profit. I just called him and I invested. And it is due to only possible my little brother, please, Hitesh Bhai Joshi. He is from local LN. He is professor. I would like to present it. Thank you. And I would also like to Sunil sir once again. Thank you so much. Please, thanks.
Thank you so much and welcome. Are there any more questions? If there are any more questions, anyone wants to educate themselves? Yes.
Hi everybody, good evening.
Hi, good
I am a close friend of Mr. Dilip. I want to ask about USDT. I don't know about this. What is USDT?
You want to know about USDT?
USDT.
USDT is also is like crypto is something like that.
How can
But it's not traded in our platform actually. It's a separate wallet.
Yeah.
It's a digital wallet only. So it's used for like digitally transactions in crypto, in other thing, in wallets. It's just like that.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. और कोई सवाल? Any questions? No more questions? Does anyone want to ask anything to our experts here? This is a good opportunity that you have to educate yourself, to clear a few doubts. Mr. Shrikant and Mr. Irfan, do you want to just add something? Yes, sure.
Just ask some easy questions. From which amount we can start to trade? Just I'm sorry.
March is always a great month to march ahead.
Wow.
Yeah. In this market actually, there is no limit. It's you can start with the $100 and $1,000 and whatever. There is no limit. Yeah, it's you can start with $100 also.
Do you have any limitation?
There is no limitation here.
Are you sure?
Yeah, sure. In this market, there is no limitations. You can start with the $100 also. Thank you.
We have crossed the 1 crore also.
Any more questions from the audience? Okay, there are 2 people here with questions. I'll be coming over to you also, sir.
Good evening. Myself Mash. I'm actually a first officer back in Fly Dubai. So I saw in the CFD, is it possible to buy the real shares through your platform?
Yeah, it's possible. We have offer the real share also. The international shares, it's the US share also here. It's like you can buy Apple's, Google's, Facebook, everything. It's a lot of shares.
But I saw the CFD. CFD is different
Contract for
from
difference.
this original shares, right?
Yeah, it's original.
Actually, I
share.
already invested in CFD. I lost some amounts. That's why I feared about the
But
CFD.
it's your lack of knowledge only. That's why you lost them.
Been to the market for 10 years.
Yeah, it's a lack of knowledge. Maybe you don't
Do
see
you
the
provide
fundamental
any
side
kind of this, what do you say, education towards this if I invest on this? Like the training courses and everything?
Yeah, we have everything.
What kind of?
It's everything, education courses and books and everything we have. We can provide you. You just write down your email addresses there in our reception. We can provide you everything.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. That's a very, very transparent approach. And I think this gentleman wanted to ask one more question.
Irfan bhai, what is the procedure of banking withdrawal and investment system? कि पैसे कहाँ पे डालना है, withdrawal कैसे मिलेगा, कब profit जो withdrawal करना है वो कैसे मिलेगा, monthly करना है, quarterly करना है, उसका थोड़ा explanation दो ना.
आप please open our website. It's mbdfx.com. सर इसमें काफ़ी सारी जो है ना वो डिपॉजिट्स के मेथड हैं, विड्रॉवल्स के मेथड्स हैं हमारे पास. डिपॉजिट मेथड्स आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं बैंक टू बैंक्स एंड वॉलेट्स आल्सो है. BTC वॉलेट आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. आप इस डिफरेंट्स यूज़ कर सकते हैं. डिजिटल वॉलेट्स हैं वो यूज़ कर सकते हैं. नेटलर है और परफेक्ट मनी है हमारे पास. ये सारे चैनल्स हमारे पास है. बैंक के थ्रू आप ये सब कुछ जो है ना बैंक के थ्रू भी कर सकते हैं, एक्सचेंजेस के थ्रू भी कर सकते हैं. वी हैव एक्सचेंजेस आल्सो. तो ये यही इफ अगर आप किसी भी चैनल को यूज़ करते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप बैंक को यूज़ करते हैं तो आपको जो विड्रॉल मिलेगा वो बैंक में ही मिलेगा. सो ये ट्रांसपेरेंट रहता है कि अगर आप किसी वॉलेट के थ्रू यूज़ करें, जैसे BTC के थ्रू आप डिपॉजिट दे रहे हैं तो आपको विड्रॉल भी आपके BTC में ही मिलेगा. इसमें वो थोड़ा जी सर.
Hello, my Kenya partner. Good name, Paresh bhai, please. He is so happy with our interaction. He is ready to invest 10,000 USD. I would like to welcome him. Please come at stage. It's good job, very beginning, and boosting to us also. To more our program in Kenya, in Australia, in UK also. Please come at stage. I would like to facilitate you. And I would like to also give him some opportunity to express his view. No, please, I am just you like. Please, I request Mr. Dilip sir. I would like to speak 2 words about Dilip sir. He is looking like small, but he is the master of all. Because when I come in Dubai, I did not know the road of Dubai. When we have started the registered company, he has to do everything. I have to just do things only two signatures, nothing else. Everything is done. So I request to come Dilip sir also. And I would like to facilitate Dilip sir also. For facilitation, I would like to request Hinaben, please. Please, Hinaben. I am very happy to see you and know you about Hinaben. Hinaben is our business partner. She is from Gujarat. We are Gujarati. And she have more and more contact. If we have contact here, Ramesh bhai, it is due to possible only Hinaben. I thanks again, and I would like to request to facilitate him. Give the shawl, please. And I would like to join Hinaben. If अपने क्या बोलते हैं कोरिंडर वाले मैडम आए ना, नाम भूल गया मैं. तीसा मैडम. Okay, no problem. Okay. Then I would like to our daughter Hetal, please come. She is like our daughter. દિલીપભાઈ સન્માન તમે બે ભેગું થઈને કરવાના છે. હા ઓકે ઓકે ઇટ્સ ઓકે ઇટ્સ ઓકે. હવે પરેશભાઈનું પણ સાથે સાથે લઈ લો. Okay, thank you, Inaben. Thank you, Atal. I would like to listen from you. I know you are a good kalakar.
यहीं जो भी उपस्थित है उन सबको मेरा सादर प्रणाम. वैसे मैं पहली बार स्टेज पे खड़ा हो रहा हूँ. कोई गलती हो जाए नहीं, कोई गलती हो जाए तो छोटा बच्चा समझ के माफ़ कीजिएगा. अभी मैं 17 तारीख को यहाँ आया इंडिया से, और मेरा 2015 से एक्सपोर्ट का काम है केन्या, ईस्ट अफ्रीका. तो मेरे दोस्त लोगों ने मुझे थोड़ा इंस्पायर किया कि आप दुबई पे एक्सपोर्ट का थोड़ा काम करो. तो मैंने थोड़ा स्टडी किया 8-10 दिन, लेकिन थोड़ा पॉजिटिव रिव्यू मिला, थोड़ा नेगेटिव रिव्यू मिला. तो मैंने सोचा थोड़ा होल्ड कर लेते हैं. फिर अलग अलग जगह R&D करने के बाद मुझे ऐसा हुआ कि चलो मेरा थोड़ा नॉलेज अलंग शिपिंग यार्ड का है, शिप मरीन का जो सेकंड हैंड मशीनरी है, तो उसको यहाँ मैं मार्केट कर सकता हूँ, सेल कर सकता हूँ. तो उसके बेस के ऊपर से मैंने डिसाइड किया कि चलो भाई इसके ऊपर मूव होते हैं. फिर आज भरत जी मिले, धर्मेश भाई मिले, तो थोड़ा डिस्कशन हुआ. और यहाँ आने के बाद जो मैं पॉजिटिव हुआ हूँ, यहाँ सुनने के बाद सबको, दोनों सर को, तो थोड़ा क्लियर विजन मिला कि नाउ स्टार्ट ऑफ माय बिगिनिंग जर्नी. और 100%, 110% मैं कुछ कर सकता हूँ. वैसे बचपन से मैं ओशो रजनीश, डेल कार्नेगी, स्वामी विवेकानंद, उन सब का फॉलोअर हूँ. और कंटिन्यूटी मैं मेडिटेशन करता हूँ, वो मेरा हॉबी है. तो थोड़ा आत्मज्ञान भी है, इसलिए डर तो बिल्कुल नहीं है. लेकिन ये सभी चेहरों को देख के थोड़ा एनर्जी, क्या मालूम यहाँ कौन ऐसे बैठे हैं महानुभाव कि जिसकी कुछ एनर्जी मुझे मिल रही है. थैंक्स ऑफ ऑल. तो अभी मैं धर्मेश जी को बोला कि भाई आपका पहला कस्टमर ही आज ही मैं हो जाता हूँ, और $5,000 मैं इन्वेस्ट कर लूँगा, बराबर. और दूसरा एक आप सबको रिक्वेस्ट कि थोड़ा ब्लेसिंग देना, क्योंकि मैं ऐसा सोचता हूँ कि ब्लेसिंग के सिवा कहीं से कुछ नहीं मिलता है. कई ऐसे चेहरे दिख रहे हैं कि जिसका ब्लेसिंग में भी मेरे लिए आगे बढ़ने का जरिया बन जाए. ओके, थैंक यू. कुछ गलती होगी तो माफ़ कीजिएगा, दूसरी बार माफ़ी मांगता हूँ. थैंक्स अ लॉट.
Thank you so much Paresh bhai for becoming a member of the family. और उम्मीद करती है कि इनकी ये जो स्टोरी है वो सबको इंस्पायर करे. शुक्रिया तहे दिल से. I think that was a very informative question and answer session. I now want to invite onto stage Ms. Kausar to say a few words. Thank you so much, Mr. Ramesh, for being here with us. It has been really lovely having you here with us. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Ms. Kausar.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much, Irfan Bhai, for having us here. It was our utmost pleasure. Congratulations to the MBD FX team. I'm new to this. I'll cut the crap short. Now, after looking at all these question and answers and all these presentations, I am definitely one of your clients.
Wow.
And
wow. That calls for clapping. Yeah.
This was a very informative session because along with me, I think a lot of you have educated yourself about these platforms. And I think that's about it. I would like to wish you all the best of luck, even though you guys don't need it. I know you'll do great. I can see it. Thank you. Thank you for having us here.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ms. Kausar, for sharing all that with us. Now, for this program, we have people who've flown from different parts of the world. We have people and special guests who have come in all the way from India as well. We really want to express our heartfelt gratitude to them. So I want to call on to stage the presence of Mr. Bharat Bhatt so that we can felicitate them. Requesting on to stage the presence of Mr. Bharat Bhatt. We want to invite onto stage respected Bhanuben Somaiya. Put your hands together for Bhanuben Somaiya.
I do request to join with me, Mr. Hitesh Bhai. Please come. Because he is the foundation of ours. Nobody can know in before 1 year except Hitesh Bhai to me. But at present, everybody is known to me. Please. Sals and bouquets. Sonak. I would like to join Master Sonak. Please come. Master Sonak, the future of the bride. Bhanuben, Hitesh Bhai Peras. Just 2 minutes. Hak છે તમને. Yes, young blood, you are bright future of company. You are the present, he is the future. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Next, I want to invite onto stage Mrs. Hina Ben Sagar.
Yeah.
Mrs. Hina Ben Sagar.
He's just coming.
Probably she's out. Can I have the presence of Mrs. Reshma Shah on stage?
Yes, Reshma Ben. Saparivar, please. With family. Because they are the backbone of us. We never neglect backbone.
Requesting onto stage the presence of Mrs. Reshma Shah.
I am proud of Reshma Ben. She has personally come for this function to Dubai. She is at present Nairobi, but has come here. Please come, Reshma Ben, Rohit Bhai, Nishwal Ben, Viraj sir, please. And I would request to Alka Ben, Dharmesh Bhai, to facilitate that. Dilip Bhai will also. I request to hotel management to remove the chair. I would like not request that. It is my little heart gift. You don't underestimate it. Please. Thank you so much. Thank you. Rohit Bhai is my brother, my partner, is everything. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Next, we want to invite onto stage Miss Alka Ben. Mrs. Alka Ben. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Miss Alka Ben Joshi.
I like to two lines about Alka Ben. She is my sister-in-law, Sali Adi.
घरवाली.
मगर है नहीं, टेंशन मत लेना का. और मैं साली को मेरे को एक्चुअली मैं हर जगह पे बोलता हूँ, मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है. मेरे को 32 साली है.
वाओ.
और इसके लिए एक शेर भी बढ़िया से बना हुआ है. वो ससुराल ससुराल नहीं, वो ससुराल ससुराल नहीं, जो ससुराल में साली नहीं. और वो महफिल मीटिंग नहीं, जो महफिल या मीटिंग में ताली नहीं है. प्लीज क्लैप. Thank you for facilitation of Alkaben. I request to Miss Leila, please.
Miss Leila.
Miss Leila is our business developer in Russia, Uzbekistan. Please come. We are going very shortly to international level, so we are developing our branch in every country with your blessings and grace only. Because Alkaben has given me so much response, so much support to develop through here. Thank you. Thank you. ઓકે થેન્ક યુ. સ્ટેજની થોડી ડિમાન્ડ છે, થોડી તમારી. સી ઇઝ અ યોગા ટીચર, સી ઇઝ એ એકાઉન્ટ માસ્ટર, સી ઇઝ એ ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ માસ્ટર. આઈ વિલ રિક્વેસ્ટ પ્લીઝ 2 વર્ડ ઓનલી.
नमस्ते. मैं अलका जोशी जामनगर से, गुजरात से. मेरे जीजा जी मेरा बहुत आदर करते हैं और मैं भी जीजा जी का बहुत आदर करती हूँ. और हम लोग, मैं पहले तो बहुत फील्ड में काम कर चुकी हूँ, लेकिन अब ये फील्ड मेरे लिए नया है. और जो मैंने इतने सालों में कुछ नहीं कमाया था, वो थोड़े महीनों में जीजा जी के साथ काम कर मैं कमा रही हूँ. वाह, ठीक है. तो ये फील्ड बहुत बढ़िया है और इसमें इन्वेस्टमेंट करने से बहुत अच्छा आप भी कमा सकते हो. और मेरी लाइफ जैसे चेंज हो गई है वैसे सबकी हो सकती है. प्लीज़ रिस्पॉन्स.
Thank you so much.
I would request gentlemen to sit, please. Any chair problem? Please sit. Hina Ben.
Calling Miss Hina Ben Sagar onto stage. We want to felicitate Miss Hina Ben Sagar onto stage. Requesting her presence onto stage. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Miss Hina Ben Sagar. अरे तालियां कम नहीं होनी चाहिए. थैंक यू सो मच.
For Hina Ben's facilitation, I would like to request Mr. Arvind Bhai and Mrs. Okay, sorry. Okay. Yes, please come, Harshad Bhai. Welcome. नहीं, તમારે ગિફ્ટ લેવાની મારી સ્પેશિયલ ગિફ્ટ. Because Hina Ben has so helped me to develop Dubai. I appreciate always her. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. I would request to Harshad Bhai, please speak 2 words.
Just say congratulations to them to come to Dubai. This land has given always opportunity to everybody, and we hope they will do the best and they will provide the services to everybody and they will get success. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
We were the classmates, right? Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mr. Bharat, for always being there and for motivating and inspiring everyone. तो आज की शाम अभी तक कैसे लगी सबको? इन्वेस्टमेंट, अपॉर्चुनिटीज, ये सारी बातें हुई. अब हम बात करते हैं थोड़ा सा जो है, हम अब वी विल गेट इनटू द फन मोड. सो वी आर गोइंग टू प्ले अ स्मॉल गेम विद ऑल ऑफ यू. आप लोगों ने सब सुना ही होगा तंबोला के बारे में, सब जानते हैं? डज एवरीवन नो द गेम? कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है मुझे. ऑडियंस बहुत ही ज़्यादा चुप है. How many people know Tambola? Yes. She knows Tambola. Yes, the gentleman there. What about the other people? Housey. Housey कहूँगी तो किसी को Does that ring a bell? Few people know. Okay, great. So we will learn this game as well. It's a game. It's a game involving numbers. It's a game involving a lot of luck. And we have some amazing, amazing prizes to give away. So I'm going to need Mr. Dharmesh's help. He's going to help me with the game. And we need to give away some tickets. आप लोगों के सबके पास you're going to get a ticket. That ticket is your Tambola ticket. अब ये गेम कैसे खेलते हैं ये मैं आपको समझाऊंगी. Let the tickets come across. So we are going to be distributing these tickets to all of you. Make sure that everybody has a copy of the ticket. थोड़ा सा हेल्प चाहिए वो जो टिकट्स है पेन की जरूरत नहीं है ये ऐसे ऐसे करना है ना So yes, with the tickets are coming around, this is your lucky ticket for tonight. Okay? It's a small game that we're going to be playing. Yes, definitely, everybody is going to be playing. थोड़ा सा मदद कर देंगे उनका टिकट बांटने में. So the tickets are coming around. Okay, I'll just explain the rules of the game. शॉर्ट में आप लोगों को मैं एक्सप्लेन कर देती हूँ. इफ़ यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड आई विल एक्सप्लेन अगेन, नो प्रॉब्लम. तो ये जो टिकट है बेसिकली इसमें 3 लाइंस हैं. देयर आर 3 लाइंस. ओके, जो सबसे टॉप वाला रो है वो है आपका फर्स्ट रो, मिडिल रो और बॉटम रो. एंड यू हैव नंबर्स इन योर टिकट. तो हम जो है यहाँ पे एक एक नंबर निकालेंगे ड्रॉ से और उसको हम अनाउंस करेंगे. आपको आपके टिकट में देखना है कि वो नंबर है या नहीं. अगर है तो उसको आपको फोल्ड करना है. ये टिकट्स जो है दे हैव अ स्मॉल परफोरेशन. यू कैन फोल्ड इट अलोंग दोज परफोरेशंस. सो बेसिकली अगर आपके पास वो नंबर है यू जस्ट हैव टू फोल्ड दैट. वी आर गोइंग टू बी प्लेइंग फॉर 6 प्राइजेस. एक तो है जल्दी 5. सबसे पहले जब मैं ये नंबर्स अनाउंस करूँगी, अगर सबसे पहले जो है जिस इंसान के पास 5 नंबर अपने टिकट पे होंगे तो आपको क्या करना है, सीधा यहाँ आना है और हमको बताना है. दैट मीन्स यू आर गोइंग टू बी विनिंग द जल्दी 5. ओके, आई विल एक्सप्लेन इन इंग्लिश एज वेल. द टिकट्स बेसिकली दे हैव 3 rows. Each of your tickets, these are your housey tickets, and all of them they bear numbers. We're going to be taking numbers here through draw, and I'm going to announce these numbers one by one. So we're going to be playing for the first row, the middle row, the bottom row, and the full house. So if you have to win the full house, you have to have all the numbers on your ticket, whatever is being announced. As and when I'm going to announce numbers, you have to fold those numbers along the perforation lines. You don't need a pen or a pencil for it. You just have to fold it. You can see it when you get your ticket. And we're going to be also playing for the first 5 numbers. That's called Jaldi 5. So anyone among the audience who has the first 5 numbers, you just have to raise your hand and come forward to us. The first person to make a call, either on the Jaldi 5, the top row, the middle row, the bottom row, or the full house, they are going to be the winners. So the tickets are coming along. Agar koi confusions hai, they will get cleared as and when we keep playing the game. Does everybody have a ticket? They're coming? Yes, they're coming forward. Finish? Okay, what we can do is we can pair up the people with the tickets, maybe probably so that everybody gets a fair chance to play. Probably we can pair up the people. We'll give 2 gifts. That's not a problem. Okay, so maybe you can share your ticket with someone. Probably you can share your luck with someone. Are we ready to start the game? Yes, fine. I'll need the help of Mr. Dharmesh here with us. So we're going for the first number. The first number Mr. Dharmesh will be helping me with this because I don't want to be responsible for pulling out numbers from your luck. So he is your lucky man tonight. So he is the one who's going to be taking out numbers. And the first number that he takes out tonight is 1 and 0, number 10. Number 10. 1 and 0, number 10. Anyone with number 10? Okay, great. So that's your first one. Okay, you will need 5 of them. Jaldi 5. Jaldi 5. 5 minimum number chahiye. This is only your first number. Okay, 1 and 0, number 10. The pehla number for today was number 10. 7 and 1, number 71. 7 and 1, 71. Wow, this gentleman already has 2 numbers. 7 and 1, 71. Dharmesh is coming up with the next number. 6 and 8, 68. 6 and 8, 68. That's another number. 6 and 8, 68. All by itself, number 6. Number 6. All by itself, number 6. One duck, a single duck. Number 2. Number 2. Anyone? जल्दी 5. किसी के टिकट में 5 numbers अभी तक जितने कॉल आउट हुए उसमें से anyone with 5 numbers on their ticket? No one? Let's play. 55 की उम्र 55. अभी भी जवान. 5 and 5, 55. 5 and 5, 55. Anyone? एक भी नहीं. उम्र है पर नंबर नहीं है. पर हमें तो नंबर चाहिए यहाँ पे. 4 and 8, 48. 4 and 8, 48. Anyone? Jaldi 5. Anyone? Any calls for Jaldi 5? 4 and 8, 48. 5 numbers on your ticket. $40. 4 and 0, 40. 4 and 0, 40. Uska half. 20. 20, 20. Anyone? Anyone? 20. अभी तक एक भी नंबर नहीं मिला. ऐसा कोई इंसान है यहाँ पे? Not a single number. आप हो. आप ज़्यादा लकी हो. Extra लकी हो. 2 and 0, 20. Next. 8 and 9. Number 89. 8 and 9. Number 89. Anyone? No calls till now for even Jaldi 5? I hope आप लोग सब ठीक से ध्यान से सारे नंबर्स सुन रहे हैं. I will just repeat all the numbers once again. Okay? आपने टिकट्स को ठीक से ध्यान से देखिए. देखिए कि कोई नंबर मिस ना हुआ हो आपसे. I'm just repeating and calling out all the numbers once again to make sure that you haven't missed out some numbers. So it has been number 2, number 6, number 10, 20, 40, 48, 55, 68, 71 and number 89 so far. No calls for Jaldi 5? Okay, we keep playing. 8 and 6, 86. 8 and 6, 86. Number 4. Number 4. हो गया? Jaldi 5. Wow. Okay, so we have a ticket here for Jaldi 5. Sir, come forward, come forward. Let me just check all the numbers. Number 2, that's right. Number 4, number 10, number 40, and number 71. Yes, the gentleman here. Sir, come forward. He is our first winner today for Jaldi Fi, calling Mr. Bharat Bhatt to give away the prize to our first winner today for Jaldi Fi. What do you have to say? Nothing. You're lucky today, really lucky today. Mr. Sunil? Mr. Sunil?
Tiger killer. Sunil Tiger killer. Wagmare.
Mr. Sunil Wagmare, if you can join us here. He's on the phone. Congratulations to our first winner of Jaldi Fi. Keep your ticket, you have to still play. Yes. So that is Jaldi Fi. Jaldi Fi is over. Now we are going to be playing for first row, middle row, bottom row. Any of them. If it's your first row that you get, come forward. If it's your middle row, come forward. Bottom row, come forward. Okay? So we keep playing. 8 and 1, 81. 8 and 1, 81. Is it a row? No, the 5 is over. Jaldi 5 is over. Now you need all of them in the first row, middle row or bottom row. Okay? 8 and 1, wishing you luck. Let's see. 8 and 1, 81. Next, 5 and 3, 53. 5 and 3, 53. All by itself, number 5. All by itself, number 5. Any calls for first row, middle row, bottom row? 3 and 8, 38. 3 and 8, number 38. Which row? Okay, you got one number, but you need either the middle row, the top row, or the bottom row. 5 and 2, number 52. 5 and 2, number 52. The first number of the series, number 1. Number 1. MBD FX is always number 1. 2 and 9, 29. 2 and 9, number 29. No calls till now? 7 and 3, 73. 7 and 3, 73. Okay. I'll just read out all the numbers once again for all of you. Number 1, number 2, 4, 5, 6, 10, 20, 29, 38, 40, 48, 52, 53, 55, 68, 71, 73, 81, 86, and number 89. Okay? No calls so far. 4 and 7, 47. 4 and 7, number 47. Half century, 5 and 0, number 50. 5 and 0, number 50. 6 and 9, number 69. 6 and 9, number 69. 6 and 6, number 66. 6 and 6, number 66. 5 and 7, number 57. 5 and 7, number 57. Anyone? So far? None? 2 and 1, number 21. 2 and 1, number 21. क्या हो रहा है? अभी तक किसी का कुछ भी नहीं कितने नंबर्स बाकी है आप लोगों के? हाँ, यहाँ पे ओके, दिस जेंटलमैन हैज़ 2 एंड इन द अदर रो अनदर 2. नंबर्स ध्यान से सुनिएगा. ओके, 2 and 4, नंबर 24. 2 and 4, नंबर 24. धर्मेश भाई कुछ ठीक से निकाल नहीं रहे नंबर, किसी का कुछ लग नहीं रहा है यहाँ पे. 1 and 9, नंबर 19. 1 and 9, number 19. Teenage, 1 and 3, 13. 1 and 3, number 13. Anyone? 7 and 2, 72. 7 and 2, number 72. 7 and 2, number 72. 7 and 8, number 78. 7 and 8, number 78. Anyone? Top row, middle row, bottom row. 8 and 4, number 84. 8 and 4, number 84. Great. 3 and 3, number 33. 3 and 3, number 33. Anyone? I'll just announce all the numbers once again for people who have missed some numbers. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 10, 13, 19, 20, 21, 24, 29, 33, 38, 40, 47, 48, 50, 52, 53, 55, 57, 66, 68, 69, 71, 72, 73, 78, 81, 84, 86 and 89. No calls so far? Okay. धर्मेश जी इसको ठीक से हिलाइए, ठीक से हिला हिला के निकालिए क्योंकि यहाँ पे किसी का कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है. 4 and 1, 41. 4 and 1, number 41. 1 and 7, number 17. 1 and 7, number 17. Anyone? Any calls? So far? None. 1 and 7, number 17. 3 and 0, 30. 3 and 0, number 30. Yes. First row? Show me your ticket, sir. First row. Let's see. Number 2, number 10, number 30, 53, 72. Yes. The first row is gone. Sir, come forward. He is the winner of the first row. First row is gone. Now we will be playing only for middle row and bottom row. Mr. Bharat, please come forward. He is our winner of first row. Congratulations. Mr. Sunil, if you can join us here. Mr. Sunil. You can keep the ticket. Yeah. Full house is also there.
My best friend of Dubai.
Thank you and congratulations. So basically, top row is gone. Now only middle row, bottom row and full house. Middle row and bottom row के लिए खेलेंगे. ऊपर का रो चला गया है. अब middle row के लिए और bottom row के लिए खेल रहे हैं. 7 and 9, 79. 7 and 9, number 79. 5 और 6, 56. 5 and 6, number 56. 1 and 4, number 14. 1 and 4, number 14. 8 and 3, number 83. 8 and 3, number 83. No one so far? Middle row, bottom row? 6 and 1, 61. 6 and 1, number 61. 4 and 5, 45. 4 and 5, 45. Number 7, all by itself. Number 7. Anyone? So far? 3 and 2, number 32. 3 and 2, number 32. 6 and 4, number 64. 6 and 4, number 64. आप लोग ध्यान से खेल रहे हैं ना सभी? 7 and 6, 76. 7 and 6, number 76. Anyone? काफी numbers हो चुके हैं. 3 and 6, number 36. 3 and 6, number 36. And we have the gentleman there coming forward. Which row? Bottom line? Let's see. Number 5. Number 17. Number 36. Number 57. And number 76. Yes, bottom line is gone. Congratulations, Mr. Bharat. Please come forward to give. Yeah, I'm just calling Mr. Bharat. Mr. Wilson. Aapka ticket. He is our winner for the bottom line. Yeah, but then see, suddenly your luck clicked. That's the way it is. Our winner for the bottom line. Congratulations, thank you. Top row, bottom row, gone. Only middle row and full house. Only middle row and full house now. 7 and 7, 77. हम स्पीड बढ़ाएंगे अभी गेम का. 7 and 7, 77. मिडिल रो. अब जो है फटाफट सब खेलेंगे because now it's going to be quick calls. Number 4, number 24, number 47, number 68, and number 77. Yes, middle row gone. This gentleman here, he wins the middle row. Once again calling Mr. Bharat to come forward and give a prize to our winner. Yes, you can keep your ticket. Congratulations.
Anybody who raised their hand first. जो first हाथ. Anybody who can raise the hand first, I would like to facilitate him. Please come. Come, please. Yes, come. 'You please take the chance for facilities.
Thank you so much.
I like to speak two words. Yes.
I know speak anything.
Anything, Gujarati, Hindi.
मुझे कहीं नहीं आवड़તું भाई.
कहीं नहीं आवड़ी बोलना.
कहीं नहीं आवड़તું भाई.
Thank you so much. अब जो है तीनों जो है हमारे टॉप रो, बॉटम रो, मिडिल रो जा चुके हैं. Now only full house. Now we are playing only for the full house. So all the best. 7 and 5, 75. We are playing for the big prizes now. Full house. 4 and 9, 49. 4 and 9, 49. 5 and 9, 59. 5 and 9, 59. Anyone? Full house? 1 and 1, number 11. 1 and 1, number 11. Who is the lucky one tonight? 6 and 7, 67. Number 6 and 7, 67. One fat lady and a duck. 8 and 2, 82. Number 82. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Number 12. Anyone for full house? 1 and 8, 18. 1 and 8, number 18. 5 and 4, 54. 5 and 4, number 54. ये तो जोकर है, इसमें कुछ भी नहीं. Okay. 2 and 3, number 23. Anyone for full house? 2 and 3, number 23. 2 and 5, number 25. 2 and 5, number 25. Anyone? No one? Full house. Now we're playing for the full house. 7 and 4, 74. 7 and 4, 74. So what happened? Your luck stopped after that. Let's see. 3 and 5, number 35. 3 and 5, number 35. Any calls for full house? 2 and 6, number 26. 2 and 6, number 26. Very few numbers remaining now. Any calls for full house? 3 and 1, number 31. 3 and 1, number 31. 2 and 8, number 28. Anyone? 2 and 8, number 28. 6 and 2, number 62. 6 and 2, number 62. No one? 6 and 5, number 65. Just one number remaining for the gentleman. 6 and 5, number 65. ध्यान से नंबर सुनिए. 3 and 4, number 34. 3 and 4, number 34. 4 and 3, 43. 4 and 3, 43. Next number. 2 fat ladies. 8 and 8, 88. 88. How close are we? 5 and 1, number 51. 5 and 1, 51. How close are we? 4 and 4, 44. 4 and 4, number 44. Are you all sure you all are listening? 4 and 4, 44. 6 and 3, 63. 6 and 3, number 63. 4 and 2, 42. 4 and 2, number 42. Anyone? 6 and 3, 63. 6 and 3, 63. 9 and 0, 90. 9 and 0, 90. क्या बात है? फुल हाउस तक कोई नहीं पहुंच रहा. 3 and 9, 39. 3 and 9, 39. ये क्यों है? सब लोग किसी का कुछ नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ पे. Number 3. They are almost reaching the end of the full house. Number 3. Anyone? Number 3. 6 and 0, 60. 6 and 0, 60. 5 and 1, 51. 5 and 1, 51. Mr. Dharvesh, hilaiye. 2 and 7, 27. Anyone? 2 and 7, number 27. Number 9. Number 9. Is that a full house? Is that a full house? Not a full house. Okay. Not a full house yet. Very few numbers remaining on the board. Again, that's a blank tile. 8 and 0, 80. 8 and 0, number 80. 8 and 7, 87. Whoa! The first full house. The first full house for tonight. Let me just check all the numbers. 1, 3. Just tell me if it's there. 31, 52, 75, 86, 4, 24, 47, 68, 77, 17, 38, 54, 79, 79 and 87. Yes, the winner of our full house, our first winner for full house. दो prizes लेके क्या करेंगे सर जी? Calling Mr. Bharat Bhatt once again for our first lucky winner for tonight. Full house. Congratulations. किसका चेहरा देख के morning शुरू की थी?
खुद ही अपना ही देखा आज.
I would like to join Vikram Saab. I would like to request Vikram Saab. Please come with family. And Hitesh bhai also, please. Full house complete? Full house complete?
Full house complete.
One person.
Now one more is last one.
Okay. I would like to give some special gift from me for number 1, 2, 3. Right?
One
Let
is
it-
only one
please take the madam. Madam, ne? Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
आए हाँ नहीं
कोई बात नहीं. दो शब्द बोलेंगे?
नहीं नहीं
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much and congratulations to you. First full house gone. एक और full house के लिए हम खेलेंगे. One more full house we'll be playing for. 1 and 5, 15. 1 and 5, 15. Now the game gets really hot because anyone can win. 2 and 2. Number 22. Whoa! Our second lucky winner for full house. 2 and 2. Number 22. Our lucky winners. You also? So we have a tie. Come. Isn't it? We have multiple prizes to give away, no issues. Can we check? Can we check all the numbers on the ticket? 1 5 15 3 0 30 5 1 51 3 23 49 yes 63 76 18 33 54 79 and 84. Yes, you have beginner's luck. Is it your first time playing housey? Yes. Is it your first time? Oh, she has beginner's luck, definitely. This is our second lucky winner for tonight for Tambola. Mr. Jignesh Pandya.
From Rajkot.
Mr. Jignesh Pandya from Rajkot.
And Mr. Yuvraj.
Mr. Yuvraj. Mr. Yuvraj. Requesting Mr. Yuvraj and Mr. Jignesh Pandya to come forward to give away the prize to our lucky winner for tonight.
Mr. Yuvraj. Okay. Niswal or Viraj? Niswal or Viraj? Either. Oh, Mr. Viraj, please come.
Congratulations once again. You can call him.
Please, you come, gentlemen. You are the first lucky winner. Your good name? Ali. Ali from? Your document all for opening the demat account, trading account.
Of course, Irfan bhai called me. He's my old buddy.
Okay. So I would like to give one gift from myself.
Pleasure is all mine. Pleasure is all mine.
I am very happy to announce the first winner is Mr. Ali from Pakistan. And I would like to give my special gift of the days. Rupees 1 lakh, yani $1,300 trading account.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Very well organized.
But हमारा दोनों का बीच का बात हम नहीं बोलेंगे, ऑडियंस को नहीं बताएंगे. Okay?
Done.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Mr. Ali, and thank you so much for that, Mr. Bharat. That brings us to the end of this beautiful evening. And like all good things come to an end, this evening also will be coming to an end. But of course, there is wonderful dinner which is waiting for you. And also, we will be having some entertainment programs for you. I would like to invite Mr. Dharmesh to give us the final vote of thanks for tonight. Thank you so much.
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तुम्हें सबका आज क्या शुक्रिया कर सकता हूँ कि आज इतना संडे के दिन आप अपना टाइम निकाल के फैमिली के साथ, फ्रेंड के साथ यहाँ पे आए. और दूसरी चीज़ कि हमने जो टीम बनाई है, इरफान भाई, दिलीप भाई एंड मी ऑल्सो, सो हमने ये बहुत थोड़े दिनों में सब कंप्लीट किया ये इवेंट के लिए हमने. और रिगार्डिंग द कंपनी के लिए बहुत सोचा है, विज़न. यस, एग्जैक्टली रोहित भाई. सो हम कुछ और आगे अच्छा बढ़ना चाहते हैं विथ योर सपोर्ट एंड विथ योर ब्लेसिस एवरीथिंग. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Thank you so much, Dharmesh bhai. Thank you so much for this beautiful evening. Yes. So, also I want to say a huge thanks to all of you, and thank you especially to Mr. Bharat Bhatt for entrusting me this responsibility of being the host for tonight. I have thoroughly enjoyed myself this evening. This is your host, Ansi Harshal, signing off. And I'm inviting all of you to the gala dinner. And also, amongst you, if there is someone who wants to come forward and sing or be a part of the fun and merriment, most welcome. So I'm sure there are a lot of talented people among you all. You all can come forward and you can be a part of the celebration. Thank you so much.
I would read something for thanks awards because many people are watching our international telecast. So on behalf of all you, I thanks all them, and I also thanks our video camera team. I thanks hotel management. I thanks local public who have supported us, and I thought every souls means every souls. You understood? You have helped the complete the program. Thanks lots. आपका भी थोड़ा सम्मान होना चाहिए. आपका भी थोड़ा सम्मान होना चाहिए. You are right.
बुके આપી દો અથવા તો ગિફ્ટ આપી દેજો. Mr. Bharat would like to also anchor to give it to some surprise gift also for him, also for her. Madam Cashier will come on. Please come out. Please. It's a very good anchor. Oh, this is yes, very nice. Looking very nice, beautiful, fashionable also. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. So now you can roll start.
Thank you so much. So like I said, please help yourselves to the lovely buffet. And also amongst you, if there are people who want to come forward and be a part of the entertainment, if there are singers among you, I'm sure बहुत सारे हैं जो बहुत अच्छे से गाना गाते हैं. अगर आप कुछ भी अपने एंड से करना चाहते हैं, feel free. This is your program. Have fun. Thank you so much. Sure.
I like sing song every. And if anybody dance, you can dance also. जो तुमको हो पसंद वो ही बात करेंगे. तुम दिन को अगर रात कहेंगे, रात कहेंगे. जो तुमको हो पसंद वो ही बात करेंगे. Thank you. उनका ही सुनाना. Thank you. But let us all participate if they like. Thank you. Like.
You will leave. Nothing new, and wishing you all the best.
Thank you.
And there is a great work I'm bringing to you, investor
Thank you.
with big amount.
Right. It is a
not
great pleasure.
less $1 dollar.
Thanks. Can I?
Inshallah.
Can
So,
I?
Already he know. I informed him before.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you. And
Can
you
I
know about it.
advertise?
The first work it will be 1B.
Okay. No problem.
Inshallah.
Hey,
1B.
Can I
dollar.
advertise?
Yeah,
For
he
your
will.
promise?
Yes, 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 yes.
I can advertise.
See, no, without
Okay.
advertise.
Next function,
let us be.
Next function is my son's birthday celebration.
Yeah,
5th June.
because these people are high people.
Thank
You're welcome.
Thanks.
Nice to meet you.
Thanks. Glad. Please give it as you like.
Thank you so much.
ગાવું છે કઈ ગાવું છે? Okay. Okay.
This one is for.
કઈ ગાવું છે? Okay, let me start the dinner. એનું આપણે ટ્રેડિંગ એકાઉન્ટ ખોલવાનું છે.
ઓકે.
એમને 80-20 રહેશે, 70 જે રહેશે આપણે નક્કી કરી.
આમનું?
ઓલા ભાઈ જે વિનર છે ને હાઉસ વિનર.
હા હા.
Thank you.